Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So I wanted to go ahead and drop a video update for those copying the golden ticket signals. We are doing well, we're making money, and I hope everybody is really excited with it. So very important, guys. You need to renew your signal access in order to continue to copy the signals. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, it's very important that you do this before the expiry date of the subscription. Otherwise you wouldn't be able to copy any signals, and any trades that you were currently in, when that expiry date hits, I wouldn't be able to control to close the trades or anything like that. By I mean the bot. Okay, so very important, guys. You got to renew your signals. Okay, so what you do is you log into Social Trader. Okay, you go into signals, you check your expiry date there. For this one, for example, most of you, when you join, your expiry date will be November 8th. Okay, so you need to renew before the 8th. Okay, Social Trader sends I believe up to like 3 or 4 reminders for you to renew your signal, and some of you have already done that, but for the ones that haven't done that, very important that you do that before November 8th. Okay, all right, so to renew, all you do is you click manage renewals. Okay, and then you click renew. Okay, and then it will tell you how much you need to pay based on the profit split of 80-20, right? So 20% of the profit that you made in this particular example here is 47.84 USD. So all I do is I'd click pay via PayPal, and then you can either pay with your PayPal or your credit card, however you choose to make that payment. Okay, so very important that you do that. All right, so next order of things, let me show you some testimonials. Oh, and also very excited, guys. I'll be going to Miami, literally flying in the next maybe 3 hours. I'm going to Miami for 8-Minute Trader has like a special event going on where they're going to unveil some really cool stuff with the scalper alerts. So I'll be going to Miami for that. I'm really excited to take my forex knowledge to the next level and trade in with 8-Minute Trader as well. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted on the update of that and how it went when I get back. All right, I should be back Monday. All right, so let's do some testimonials. Let's do some testimonials. All right, let's see how people are doing with this. All right, okay, let's see here. This particular person made $297. $297, man, that's nice. And guys, in case this is your first time watching this video, the golden signal is a forex signal that I allow my subscribers or anybody watching this video to copy those signals. Okay, and I have the instructions on how to copy those signals in the link in the description of this video. All right, guys, this is not financial advice. Trading does involve risk, so if you choose to copy, you choose to accept those risks. All right, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my journey and I'm sharing it with you. All right, so this particular person made $297, and again is based on the amount that they deposited. So that's amazing, and that's how much they have made so far since joining. So honestly, impressive rewards, impressive congratulations, whoever you are, kudos to you. Keep on crushing it with the signal. All right, so let's close that up, open the next one. Oh, and I also want to show you my FX book here, my own account here, following the signal here. So far I've made 50%. And I started copying the signals on September. No, it was, let me see, first trade was September 30th. So September 30th. So just about a month ago, and 50%. 50% for the month, not bad at all. Drawdown was roughly about 28%. And I'll talk about that a little bit later. Okay, so that's awesome here. Next person made about $100, or sorry, 98 net profit. Okay, this person made $34. Nice. This person made $74. Another person made $190. And again, it depends on how much you deposited to copy the trades with. Okay. All right. This person made 42. This person made 15. This person made $139. Another person made $146. Another person made $149. Another person made $480. Another person made $136. $23. $180. $239. $69. $43, and it's compounding, so this is really powerful, guys. $78. 30. $67. $421. All right, let's get it. 18. All right, $155. And there we are. Okay, so that is amazing, impressive rewards, guys. Give yourself a pat on the back. You know, whoever you are, you took action. You made it happen. You took action. All right, because without taking action, nothing happens. Tomorrow remains the same, right? Unless you take action. All right, so let me show you a tip as well, guys. So my account was $750, right? My account was $750 here. I started with about 500, made about $251, and I'm gonna bring it up to $1,000. Why? Because you see this drawdown here is roughly about 28%, about 30%. Some of you that have a lower account size, your drawdown will be a little bit higher. Why? Because the bot is cost averaging. Okay, so it's trading gold and it's cost averaging. And what I mean by cost averaging is, let's say that it took a buy right here. If price went against us, so it dropped, it takes another buy down here. Okay, so it tries to basically catch the point at which the trade is going to reverse. Okay, so you need a decent amount of account size in order to you know, basically continue for the bot to continue cost averaging and your drawdown not to be as big. Okay, so I'm gonna bump on my account to 1,000. That's the sweet spot. You know, but 1,000 or more. Okay, I should say 1,000 or more, so that it can at least sustain the drawdown. So if you want to put more than 1,000, great. If you started with 250, you want to bump it to 500, and that's all you can do for now, that's fine. If you want to bump it to 750 from 500, and that's all you can do for now, fine. But if you can bump it to at least 1,000 or over 1,000, that's great, so that it can so that your drawdown can stay around that 30% average mark. Okay, so you see here, took this trade, took this trade, then it cost average, right? So all these are cost average from the initial buy entry right here, and then it took this trade trying to catch the low, then finally caught the low with these 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and then you know, gold went up and boom, closed out right there. Okay, so you can see, let me just narrow down here so you can see right here, that's where it closed out for profits for us. So that's why it's important to have you know, a decent account size in there. Again, if 250 is all that you can start with, and that's, you know, that's fine. It just means that your drawdown might be a little bit higher than somebody with like $1,000 account. So with that being said, I've added 250 to my MVFX account. Let me go ahead and drop it into my trading account. So I made a deposit. I'm gonna go to internal transfer. I'm gonna click here, wallet to MetaTrader, 250, and then I'm moving it over to golden ticket and 250.02 exactly. Request transfer and transfer complete. Let's do that. It's okay, perfect. So now if I go to my accounts here, you can see that the golden ticket account is now $1,001, so $1,000. Okay, so that's where I want to get it. That's the sweet spot right there. Okay, all right, so that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. You know, that's pretty much the update that I wanted to give you. I'm excited for Miami. All right, so that's what I wanted to give you, the update. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Telegram. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll close off with that. But exciting things are coming, guys. Like, new and excited things are coming, because from the knowledge that I pick up in Miami with the 8-minute trader, possibly in the future, I might be taking those trades and pushing that into everybody's accounts as well. So possibly. All right. So we'll see how how things progress, but I do have new and exciting things to even take this to the next level. All right, so I'll leave you with that, guys. God bless, take care, have a great day. Bye bye.